Welcome to this video. My name is Hannes Knechtkes. I'm happy that you're here. I want to show you today a really beautiful chord progression with a beautiful picking, and I would advise you to stay with me to the very end of the video because I'm about to show you some really nice details on how to play those chord progressions. If you're new to the world of guitar playing, you have absolutely no clue how to play the guitar or how to hold it or how to hold your pick or whatever, check out my free lessons in the video description. It's a perfect basis for you with tons of cool videos and it's totally free. As I said before, I would love you to check those out too. So let's start. I will play for you what you can expect in this video. I hurt myself today to see if I still feel. Some of you guys may have already guessed it's Hurt by Johnny Cash. And if you want to learn the whole song, just let me know in the comments, then I will make a complete tutorial of that very song. So let's start with A minor. And we play it in a certain way, but let's first check out the chords. Middle finger 2nd fret D string, ring finger 2nd fret G string, and index finger 1st fret B string. And try to grab right before the fret. So don't play it here, play it there. So it's easier for you to create a sound. And now we hit the A and then the D string, and then at once G, B, and E. Don't hit the low E string. So A, D, and then G, B, and E together. All down strokes, down, down, down. Try to get used to that movement because you will need it for the rest. After we did that once, we go to C major. Your index finger stays in the 1st fret of the B string, middle finger goes still also to the 2nd fret of the D string, but it moves a little bit more towards the fret, and then the ring finger goes in the 3rd fret of the A string. We hit the same strings, A, D, then G, B, E. Remember, you change between those two chords with a dry exercise. Make sure you're as close to the frets as possible. I mean, not on them, but for example, if you play the C here, it's really hard to build up enough pressure to make the chord sound. I'm building up a massive amount of pressure here. But if you move your fingers here, it's way easier to create a sound. I don't need that much power there, not even close, as I'm doing it here. Same amount of pressure. You get the idea. So then you can play it like this. 3, 4, 1, 2, and then we have a D sus2. Beautiful chord. Index finger 2nd fret G string, ring finger 3rd fret B string, and then an open D and E string. So you hit D, G, and then B and E at once. And then you combine all 3 chords. Maybe you do a dry exercise first so you know where to move your fingers. So it's 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 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 4 and a little bit slower. If you like the song and if you want to learn the whole song, let me know. Just drop a comment below and let me know that you want to learn Heard by Johnny Cash in a whole tutorial. And if you're new to the world of guitar playing, let me know also in the comments, but also check out my link in the video description. There you'll find my free lessons for beginners, no matter if you're playing on an acoustic guitar or on an electric guitar. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye.